Hey guys, I have an excited project today I want to show you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this wonderful headache relief. And so I'm going to be throwing up some information on the screen for you guys and even the recipe. So I will put it in the description box for you. I will just leave it on the screen and you can follow. So we have these oils that I'm going to be using. 1, 2, 3, 4 oil. I'm going to be topping it off. You can use either oils to top it off. Fractionated oil. You can use a boba oil. You can use coconut oil, and you can also use almond oil. I'm gonna go ahead and use an almond oil today. As you can see here, I have 2 syringes, and what happened sometimes I tend to use 2 syringes because you never know from these little bottles that I'm using. Sometimes they little caps are just bigger, sometimes it's smaller, sometimes the oil won't even come out, and then sometimes it will be like just stubborn of the oil. So I'm gonna go ahead guys, I'm gonna drop it into this bottle for you, and then I'm going to be coming back and show you what I have. So as you can see, I'm using the recipe here, and how you would use this oil is that you will rub it when you feel the pains coming on. You will rub it in the temple, you rub it in the foot bottom, you find the rest, roll the pen, just go through it, and you can feel your blood system, and so that's how you will get rid. So let's go ahead and finish dropping it in these oils and we'll get ready. So I'm going to be getting ready to look at the shape. Exactly, look at the shape. And take some on it down with your finger and rub it in your temple. If you get it out with your finger like that, one of your fingertip, then that's a long use. Let me show you this in my hand. It's not gonna be that way. As you can see here, it's not that way at all. And I topped off with almond oil just now, so you can go ahead and use any almond oil or any fractionated oil. So see here, and I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.